What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking all about creating passive income selling hats. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want to know how I'm currently making passive income selling print-on-demand books over on Amazon, then check out that link in the description below to go over to Printing Profits. Or you can get here by going to printingprofits.com with no G. So, creating passive income selling hats. Now you can do this over on Etsy, you can do that over here on Amazon. Now Amazon's probably going to be your best bet because there's so much traffic over on Amazon.com. Here on Amazon they get around 2.25 billion visits per month, which is absolutely insane. So they get a lot of traffic. So selling hats or anything, even your low content books here on Amazon, is one of the best things you can do. Now, how are we actually going to create or sell these hats on Amazon for passive income? Well, we're going to be utilizing print on demand, and I'll show you what company that is in a minute. But first of all, let's just have a look through these hats. So you can create ones like this. You can create ones like this. I mean, there's so many different types of hats that you can actually create. And we're going to use a third-party print-on-demand platform to fulfill these orders. So you're listing your hats here on Amazon, then as soon as someone buys it, it automatically gets auto-filled or auto-fulfilled over on the print-on-demand platform. So what is that third-party platform? Well, it's Printful. I'm sure you've probably heard about this if you know anything about print on demand. This platform, you can create your products, then every time you sell that product, they're going to ship it, well, print it and ship it for you. And they have lots of different products on here, but we're interested in those hats, and there's quite a few different ones that you can do. You can do embroidered hats, trucker hats, snapbacks, dad hats / baseball caps, 5-panel hats. I mean, there's a good range of hats that you can do. You would also need an Amazon Seller Central account. Now, I'm not currently doing this business model. I have had my eye on this as well for quite some time, because I come across someone else's YouTube channel who actually does this, and I'm going to share you with that as well in this video, so you can go and check out that channel. But all you're essentially are doing is linking Printful to your Amazon store. So right here you can see sell on Amazon using print on demand dropshipping. So start selling custom designed products on the world's popular online marketplaces. So you can do that in US, Canada and UK, France, Germany, all these different ones as well. So right here on this page would explain to you how to actually set that up. Now this does need a little bit of money, a little bit of seed money to get started, because you do need an Amazon seller account, and they're normally, as it says here, around $39.99 per month. Or if you already have one, then this business would be a lot easier for you to set up. Now, like I said, you do need that little bit of money, but if you're doing low content books, or if you just found out about my channel through this video, go and check out selling low content books for passive income, because you can literally start that business with no money. Then once you've got some royalties start coming in, you could move that into other businesses like I plan on doing myself. Now let's scroll down a little bit more. So right here you would connect your Amazon seller account with Printful after your GTIN exemption is approved. That's one thing you do have to go through if you're not selling as a limited company, I believe. I might be wrong on that. But then it syncs all your products and you're done. So once that's all set up and someone buys your hat over on Amazon, that order's going to come straight over to Printful and they're going to ship it, print it and ship it for you. Now I really like this business model. I am considering doing this myself. Where I'm learning everything about this at the minute is over on this channel, which is just here. This is Ryan Hoog. I'm not sure how I pronounce that or how you pronounce that. Ryan Hoog, I think that's wrong. Passive income. Now, this man, this lad, this person right here is pretty awesome. You should go over and check their channel out. I'm shocked they only have 224 subscribers. Now he does quite a few different things. He does FBA, he does merch, and he also does drop shipping, this print on demand drop shipping using Printful and Amazon, and he makes an absolute killing selling hats, and he also sells them on Etsy as well. So this is where I have been learning a lot about this business model. If you want to go and check him out, go do so, show some love. I will leave a link to his YouTube channel down in the description below. Now he does have a huge range of videos where you can learn from. He also has some courses coming out very soon, and this print on demand Printful selling hats on Amazon, I'm more than likely going to purchase that course because I'm really interested in this business, creating and selling hats to make passive income over on Amazon. Now I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Well, that being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.